yun na. Last na yun
Lea, mag-message ka nga sa sarili mo.
Grabe bomba na.
Hi. Why are you so great, Leia?
Again.
Why are you so great, Leia? So beautiful. I'm wondering that always. How about you, Mabel?
Mabel.
Ako.
Wala. Sinukli ko na.
Walang chocolate.
Sinukli ko na po kay Kring.
Wala kang
Message ka naman sa friend mong si Lea.
Leia.
Isa yan sa pinaka-maingay na babaeng nakilala ko.
Yes. I'm behaving myself. Always.
Feeling niya naman si Belio siya, pero talaga si Leia Clearwater lang yan.
Haha! She's the one who's thinking that.
I'm
Hey.
actually the owner of the Yellow Perch.
And her Jasper is named Dominic.
Of course not.
Dominic.
No.
Pakek!
No.
Pakek! Pakek! Carlo!
Carlo is Leia's sweetheart. You know, he is Jake.
Carlo!
She is Belia. I-focus mo, dali. Tapos, he is Edward Cullen. He looks like a vampire. He has, what do you call that, fangs? Pakita mo nga, Carlo.
I don't talk to strangers.
Tingnan mo lang
Sinunod yung heart.
Matay na ako.
Ay?
Oh.
How sad. No more.
Si Belia kasi clumsy siya.
I'm not clumsy,
Of course
okay?
you are.
Are you talking to yourself, looking in the mirror?
At ito si Edward kasi nga may fangs siya.
How dare you? Looking at the mirror?
How about you, Kay?
Si Kayan
Siya si Angela. Well,
No! Siya si Rosalie, you know.
Nagpe-play ba?
Delicious, sexy, blonde girl doon.
say it again.
And you are,
Cause I love the way you make me.
si Esme, asawa ni
Kat.
Starlight. Maganda yun. Ta.